Welcome to another video by Adeptis Academy. Today we're diving into the exciting world of coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn and discover. Think of coding as a special language, a way for us to talk to computers. It's like learning a new language, but instead of speaking to people, you're communicating with machines. Just like we use words to communicate with each other, we use code to tell computers what to do. This language can be used to create websites, apps, games, and so much more. Now you might be thinking, computers seem complicated enough already. And yes, they can be a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, coding is like solving a puzzle. It's about finding the right pieces and putting them together in the correct order. Each line of code is a piece of the puzzle that helps create the bigger picture. It's about breaking down big problems into smaller, manageable steps that computers can understand. This process is called algorithmic thinking, and it's a skill that can be applied to many areas of life. The best part? You don't need to be a math whiz or a tech genius to get started. Coding is for everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience level. Coding is for everyone, just like science. It's a universal skill that can open doors to countless opportunities. From creating your own website to developing the next big app, the possibilities are endless. With a little patience and practice, anyone can learn the basics and unlock a world of possibilities. The key is to stay curious and keep experimenting. So are you ready to embark on this coding adventure with me? Let's go! Together, we'll explore the fundamentals, tackle fun projects, and unleash our creativity through code. Let's get started. Just like people speak different languages, computers understand different programming languages. Each language has its own set of rules and ways of doing things. Don't worry, you don't need to learn every single one. Some popular languages are great starting points for beginners. Think of it like learning a new language. You start with the basics and gradually build your vocabulary. Once you learn one language, it becomes easier to learn others. It's all about understanding the fundamental concepts of coding, which are like the building blocks of this digital world. So let's explore a few of these languages and see what makes them unique. Let's start with Python, a language known for its simplicity and readability. Imagine reading a recipe book. Python is written in a way that's easy to understand, even for someone new to coding. Python is like a versatile Swiss Army knife. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, from building websites and analyzing data to creating games and even controlling robots. Many schools and universities teach Python as a first language because it's beginner-friendly. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. It gives you the confidence to explore the world of coding without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's talk about Java and JavaScript, two languages that are essential for the web. These languages, despite their similar names, serve very different purposes and are used in distinct areas of web development. Understanding the differences between them can help you decide which one to learn based on your interests and career goals. Don't be fooled by their similar names. They are distinct languages with different purposes. Java, created in the mid-90s, is a versatile and powerful programming language used in a variety of applications, from mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems. JavaScript, on the other hand, was developed to make web pages more interactive and dynamic. Think of Java as the engine of a car, providing the power behind many applications, especially those used by businesses. It's the backbone of many enterprise-level applications, handling complex transactions and data processing tasks. Java's robustness and scalability make it a preferred choice for building large, mission-critical systems. It's known for its reliability and security. Java's strong security features are one of the reasons it's widely used in financial services, healthcare, and other industries where data protection is paramount. The language's built-in security features help developers create applications that can withstand various types of cyber threats. JavaScript, on the other hand, is like the car's dashboard, making websites interactive and engaging. It allows developers to create rich user interfaces and enhance the user experience by adding animations, form validations, and other interactive elements. JavaScript is essential for front-end development, bringing web pages to life. Have you ever played a web-based game or filled out an online form? That's JavaScript in action. It's the magic behind many of the interactive features you encounter on websites every day. From dynamic content updates to real-time data visualization, JavaScript makes the web more responsive and user-friendly. While Java is more complex, learning it opens doors to developing powerful software. Mastering Java can lead to opportunities in back-end development, mobile app development, and even cloud computing. Its versatility and performance make it a valuable skill for any aspiring software engineer. JavaScript, with its focus on web development, is a great choice for those interested in creating dynamic and user-friendly websites. It's a must-know for front-end developers and is increasingly being used on the server side with technologies like Node.js. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, JavaScript is an indispensable tool in your toolkit. Now that we've explored some popular languages, let's see how to write actual code. Writing your first lines of code can be an exhilarating experience. It's like learning a new language, but instead of speaking to people, you're communicating with a machine. A series of instructions written in a specific programming language is called a script. These scripts can be simple or complex, depending on what you want the computer to do. Think of a script as a set of directions you give to a computer. Just like a recipe tells a chef how to prepare a dish, a script tells a computer how to perform a task. For example, you can write a script to tell a computer to add two numbers, which is one of the most basic operations you can perform. Display a message on the screen, like the classic Hello World program that many beginners start with. This simple program is often the first step in learning any new programming language, or even play a sound. Imagine the possibilities when you can control multimedia elements with just a few lines of code. It's like teaching a dog a new trick. You break down the trick into smaller steps and use specific commands that the dog understands. Similarly, when coding, you break down a task into smaller, manageable steps and use specific commands that the computer understands. Similarly, in coding, you use specific commands and syntax to tell the computer what to do. Each programming language has its own syntax, which is like its grammar. Learning this syntax is crucial because even a small mistake can cause your code to fail. But don't worry, with practice, you'll get the hang of it and start writing more complex scripts in no time. One of the amazing things about computers is their ability to perform calculations with lightning speed and accuracy. Coding allows us to harness this power and automate tasks that would take us much longer to do manually. Imagine having a robot helper that can organize your files, send emails on your behalf, or even pay your bills automatically. With coding, we can create programs that perform complex calculations, analyze large data sets, and automate repetitive tasks. This frees up our time and allows us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. It's the invisible force that powers our digital world, from the smartphones in our pockets to the spacecraft exploring the cosmos. Think about it. Every app you use, every website you visit, every video game you play is built with code. Coding enables us to connect with people across the globe, access information instantly, and even control devices with our voices. It's transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and education, making them more efficient and accessible to all. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, the demand for skilled coders is skyrocketing. A career in coding isn't just about sitting in front of a computer all day. It's about solving problems, building innovative solutions, and shaping the future. From software engineers and web developers to data scientists and cybersecurity experts, there's a wide range of career paths for those passionate about coding. Whether you're interested in building the next big social media platform, developing life-saving medical software, or creating immersive virtual worlds, coding empowers you to turn your ideas into reality. As we've explored, coding is more than just a technical skill. It's a powerful tool for creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. In a world increasingly driven by technology, learning to code is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It's like learning a new language. It opens up a world of opportunities and allows you to communicate with machines that are shaping our future. So whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about the digital world, I encourage you to take the plunge and explore the exciting world of coding. Who knows? You might just discover your passion and unlock a universe of possibilities.